Hello, my name is Dom. Today we'll be making marshmallow. I have already got a baking tray and put baking paper around the edges. And I'm just going to leave that aside. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to get some gelatin and get some water. I'm going to pour my gelatin into the water. I'm just going to let that sit for a little while. And what I am going to do, I'm going to blend my sugar down, melt my sugar, and so I'm going to put that in. So it's been blending for 9 seconds. So I am going to go next, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour my water in. Really? It's all in the air. Sorry. So I'm going to get my water and pour it in the bowl. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that on top and let it cook. Put it next. Yeah, done that. Yeah, I did that. And now I'm going to put this to there, and that's there. And now it's going to mix for 14 minutes. So the Thermomix has just stopped mixing the sugar and the water. So now I'm going to be taking the lid off, and I'm going to show you what the mixture will look like. It should look brown gold-ish. So now I'm going to put it back in. I'm going to go next, add in the gelatin. So sticky. So it has just started to ding, and it's going to cool in the bowl until it gets lower than 50 degrees. So it has just started to ding, you can see. And now I'm going to show you the mixture. It's white and it should be smooth. Smooth, and it should be a bit dewy. You shouldn't be able, if you want, how I test it, I move this around a bit. And it's hard to move. If it's really easy to move, you should whip it for a few more seconds. So now I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla in. And now I'm going to pop the lid on, and I'm going to set it. So it has just started to ding, and I will show you, it does. I will now go to next. I will take my whisk out. And the next step is to pour my mixture into this. My marshmallow mixture is going to look yum. Now that has done. What I'm going to do to get the rest out is I'm going to put that in. I'm going to get that in properly. I'm going to put the lid back on. I'm going to go back one. Oh. I'm going to go back. I'm going to go in this one. Going to go. And that should have slinged it to the side. And now you see it has more of it has come off the spatula. Once you get this, I'm going to tip it back in, more of it in to my marshmallow mixture. Now that's going to go over there. And now I'm going to let it set for 1 hour.